Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I just got through taking off my 14 millimeter Lilac Street French lace lashes, and I put them back in here. I don't know if y'all can see them. And this is the French lace style. I like these a lot, but these were a little too long. So I also had bought some 12 millimeter. So I'll be putting these on. So I used, to take my old lashes off, I used this Chow for Now Lilac Lash Remover. And it removed the lashes good. And then to remove the excess adhesive that was on my natural lashes, I used some Vaseline, y'all. Let it sit for a few minutes, and I took it off with cotton round and my fingers. Then I primed my lashes with the Lilac Lash Conditioning Primer. I put it on with a Q-tip on my lashes to get the excess grease off, because if your lashes are greasy, the adhesive won't stick. Get the excess adhesive and grease and everything else off. And my lashes are primed for some more lashes. So, as you can see, I put on some eye makeup because my lashes are not going to touch my eyelids at all. Everything is going on my lashes. So, I'm using the Pro Lash Glue in black. You can also buy this in clear, but this is what came with it, the kit. Oh, nothing dripping. This is what this wand looks like. Teeny tiny mascara wand. So I'm going to coat my lashes. And you're supposed to do the underside of your lashes just like you're putting on mascara, and then you're supposed to put the actual lashes on the underside. But I'm putting them on top. So I'm putting the glue on my lashes. Maybe I'll do it right one day. But for now, I'm putting it on top of my lashes. Because it worked just fine before. Okay, I may have to reapply. Put this up for now. Oh no, I'm gonna get the lashes out. These are the 12 millimeter lashes. And this is the tweezers that comes with it. And it doesn't make a difference which lash you pull out and put on first, because they're all the same size in here. Okay, let me see. I'm putting this on. No, I can't do it with that hand. I'm just going to lay this on top of my lash, and I'm not going to touch my lash line at all. Okay. Okay, this is sticking to the tweezers. What's on the tweezers? You glue on it. Hurry up for this stuff dry. It's still long, even though that's 12 millimeters. Okay, that's on there. Wonder how long before this glue dries. This is all new to me, y'all. Trying to put it as close as possible to the next one. I don't want to overlap. Last time I just used 3, so I'm going to use 3 this time. It worked fine. Do it this way, it's better. Okay, that's enough for me. Is this too long? Okay, I'm gonna crimp them. You know what? I'm gonna use my fingers so I don't stick that thing in my eye. When I mash them like this, I'm bonding them to my natural lashes. And nothing is touching the lash line at all. No lash, no glue, no nothing. That's how long these are. So let me put on these other 3 on the other eye. And then I use this is the last step, LILAC Lash Crystal Coat, to put on this to help them last longer, and it's clear. Okay. Putting the lash glue. And it stays gluey for a while. Well, you saw how long it took me to put the lashes on. And it stayed tacky, you know, long enough for me to make up my mind about what I was going to do. And like I said, you're supposed to put it on the underside of your lash and stick the lashes on the underside of the lashes. But putting it on top works for me. Close that up good. Trying to let y'all see what I'm doing. I'm laying them on top of my natural lash. Okay, that was stuck. I don't want it on my lash line. Okay, I use my hands. Let me see. Use my hands. Take these off of here with the tweezers so I won't tear them up. Let me see if I can use the tweezers for this. Second one is on there. Now for the third one. They give you 10 lash clusters in each package. So you can put 5 on each eye if you want to. Okay. They're not really spaced correctly, but they fine. And this length is better for me. Okay, let me put this last step on here. The Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. It removes stickiness and extends the lash wear. It says reapply daily to keep lashes looking fresh. Avoid direct contact with eyes. Okay, I'm not sticking this mess in my eyes. So this actually seals the adhesive to the lash and cuts down on the stickiness. Okay. It looks like water, but I know it's not. No, it's not water. Some kind of solution up in here. So we're going to see how long these going to last. There's always one eye that looks better than the other, but that's okay. They're on here. Let this dry. I can stand another. These are fine. Okay, these are my 12mm French lace lash clusters. Well, I ain't got to show you this because you're looking at my eyes. So, I'm very satisfied with this product. You can also find these on Amazon. They're also $7. If you buy them from the company, they're $7. Plus, you have to wait longer for them to be delivered. And you may have to pay for shipping. I can't remember if I paid for shipping or not. Okay, it's dry. Okay. I like this, y'all. It looks like a space is here. The space is here, but that's my error because I'm new to this. But I like the results. Tell me what you think. And nothing is touching my skin at all. It's laying right on the lash. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And subscribe to my channel. And thumbnail. This don't even show up. Y'all can't see. Well, this is what I look like with the lashes. Okay. Bye, y'all. Be blessed.